happy new month. I wish you a successful July. And to all those GCEs who are writing their examination on 18th July, I wish you all the best. Okay, let's just quickly look at question tags in English. Okay, remember this comes under transformations and it carries only 1 mark. Okay, so question tags. What is a question tag? So by definition, so a question tag, it is just an interrogative statement. Okay, so to repeat, a question tag is an interrogative statement. Okay, so meaning a questioning statement. It always carries a question mark at the end. So, giving an example, if I say, I am sick, adding a question tag to this statement, I can say, aren't I? Aren't I? With a question mark at the end. Okay? So, e.g., so I'm sick, so adding a question tag at the end, you can say, aren't I? So as you can see, this statement is a positive statement. And then the answer in the question tag, it should be a negative statement. So a negative statement in English, just a statement that is having a not. This is the short form of a not. Yes. So say aren't I? So more examples. You can say the boys are fighting. So that one we can say aren't they? Aren't they? So we're going to consider the subject boys, the noun boys, and the auxiliary verb are. So example number 2, say the boys are fighting. Okay, so adding a question tag, we look at this auxiliary verb and we look at the subject. Remember, there is just a definite article. This is the noun, the common noun, and it's in plural. This is the auxiliary verb, the helping verb. So this is a positive statement. So the answer should be a negative statement. So we're going to use to start with the auxiliary verb. So we'll say are, and then it is positive, so the answer should be negative, meaning are they not, the short form of not, aren't. So this common noun is going to be replaced by the pronoun they. Remember, it's a plural. So aren't they? Don't forget your question mark at the end. Yes, so it's as simple as drinking water. Okay, so let's look at example 3. So example 3, we say this is an examination question. I saw it in an exam. So there are a lot of snakes in the bush. Okay, so as you can see, this statement is a positive statement. So writing a question tag. So we say to this, we get the auxiliary verb first. And then ask yourself, is it a positive or negative? It's a positive. So the answer should have a negative. So we say short form of a negative over not. So aren't. So now look at this. Here we're using the subject, the noun. We change this to pronoun they. But here we have there. Remember, it's an adverb. Shows an adverb of place. Adverb of place. There. So aren't there. The one we get. Aren't there. This is a very, very, very important part that you have to take note of. Okay, so let's look at example number 4. Now going deeper, as you can see, question 3. slightly deeper than there. These are simple and straightforward. So look at number 4. We say that is my uncle. Okay, so try out that one. It's food for thought. Food for thought. Yes. So as you can see, that is my uncle. This is a positive statement. So the answer should be a negative statement. So look at the auxiliary verb they've used here. This is a plural auxiliary verb. Singular auxiliary verb. As you can see, it's the one that we start with is. Then is it a positive or negative? It's a positive, so the answer should be negative. We add short form of not. Isn't. Now look at that. Remember, that is a pronoun. That is a pronoun. It's a relative pronoun. Remember the types of pronouns. We have personal pronouns, etc., etc. Relative pronoun. So we get that. So we say isn't, so that we change to isn't it. Okay, that's a very, very important. Remember I said going deeper. These are very simple. This one is deeper. This one is actually deeper as well. So that is my uncle. So the answer is isn't it, not isn't he. Some people change this noun to each pronoun, say isn't he. No, it's an error. That's a common error in English. So for those of you GCE will be sitting for your exams on the 8th of July, I wish you all the best and get this question right. I look forward to your testimony. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.